In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write power in Excel. If you want to raise a number to a power, like squaring a value or calculating it to the power of 3, Excel makes this very simple with a built-in formula symbol. This is useful for math calculations, financial models, engineering sheets, and even quick everyday spreadsheet tasks. To begin, click the cell where you want the answer to appear. This is important because whatever formula you type will display its result in that selected cell. So before entering anything, make sure you're placing the answer exactly where you want it in your worksheet. Next, type your formula. For example, you can type equals, then the cell reference, then the power symbol, and then the exponent. A simple example would be typing equals C6 caret 2. If the value in cell C6 is 27, Excel will calculate 27 to the power of 2, which means 27 multiplied by itself. In that case, the result would be 729. The key part of this formula is the caret symbol, which Excel uses to represent raised to the power of. If you need to type that symbol and you're using a standard keyboard, hold Shift and press 6. That will insert the up arrow or caret into your formula. Without that symbol, Excel won't understand that you want to apply an exponent. As you enter the formula, make sure it starts with an equal sign. In Excel, formulas need to begin with equals so the program knows to calculate something rather than treat your entry as plain text. Then include the cell reference or number you want to use, followed by the caret symbol, and finally the exponent. Once the formula looks correct, press Enter. Excel will immediately calculate the result and display the answer in the cell you selected at the beginning. If you click back into the cell afterward, you'll still be able to see the full formula in the formula bar, which is helpful if you want to review or edit it later. That's all it takes to write power in Excel. Select the result cell, type the formula using the caret symbol, and press Enter. If you're working with different powers, just change the number after the caret. For example, using 3 would cube the value instead of squaring it. This is a fast and reliable way to perform exponent calculations directly in your spreadsheet.